Hey there. If you've ever tried to quit smoking and thought, why is this so hard? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into the science behind why smoking grips us so tightly and how you can gently pry its fingers off step by step. Let's get into it. Let's start with your brain. Nicotine isn't just addictive. It's a master manipulator. When you inhale smoke, nicotine rushes to your brain in seconds. It mimics a natural chemical called acetylcholine, which helps you focus and feel calm. But nicotine doesn't play fair. It hijacks the receptors meant for acetylcholine, forcing your brain to release a flood of dopamine, the feel-good hormone. Here's the catch. Over time, your brain stops producing as much dopamine on its own. It thinks, why bother? Nicotine's got this covered. So, you need more cigarettes just to feel normal. And when you quit, your brain panics. Cravings, mood swings, even trouble sleeping. It's not a lack of willpower. It's your brain rebooting after years of relying on nicotine. But here's the good news. Your brain is adaptable. With time, those dopamine receptors heal. You can rewire yourself to find joy in life without a cigarette. Quitting isn't just about willpower. It's about giving your body a chance to shine. Let's break down the healing timeline. 20 minutes. Your blood pressure and pulse drop. Your hands and feet warm up as circulation improves. 8 hours. Carbon monoxide, a toxic gas that starves your organs of oxygen, leaves your bloodstream. 48 hours. Damaged nerve endings start to heal. Food tastes richer. Smells become vivid again. 72 hours. Withdrawal peaks, but so does your strength. Every craving you resist weakens nicotine's grip. 3 months. Your lungs begin to clear out mucus and tar. Tiny hair-like structures called cilia regrow, sweeping toxins away. Breathing feels easier. 1 year, your risk of heart disease drops by half, and it keeps getting better. After 5 years, your stroke risk matches a non-smoker's. After 10 years, lung cancer risk is cut by 50%. Your body is always rooting for you. Ready to take charge? Let's break this down into actionable steps. Step 1. Know your trigger stress, socializing, morning coffee. Track your cravings for a week. Awareness is your first weapon. Step 2. Build a quick kit, stock up on replacements. Nicotine gum or patches. They ease withdrawal without the toxins. Healthy snacks like nuts or carrot sticks keeps your hands and mouth busy. A cravings journal. Write down why you want to quit. Reread it when cravings hit. Step 3. Rewire your routine, replace smoking with a new ritual. Love that post-meal cigarette? Try a 5-minute walk instead. Crave a smoke break at work? Sip herbal tea or doodle in a notebook. Step 4. Rally your team, tell friends, family, or join a free app like Smoke Free or Quick Guide. Accountability works. Step 5. Forgive slip UPS relapsed? That's okay. 1 cigarette doesn't erase progress. Ask yourself, what triggered this? How can I handle it better next time? Bonus tip, celebrate every win. Save $10 for not buying a pack. Treat yourself to a movie. Went 24 hours smoke-free. Do a victory dance. Quitting can feel lonely, but you've got a global team cheering you on. Did you know? Over 7 million people quit smoking every year. Studies show that even light smokers who quit add 4 to 6 years to their lives. And if you need extra support, call free quit lines like 1-800-QUIT-NOW or Smokers Helpline Canada. Join Reddit communities like r/Stop Smoking. They're full of inspiring stories. Remember, progress over perfection. Every craving resisted, every hour smoke-free. It all adds up. Your future self is already thanking you. You're stronger than you think. Drop a comment if you're ready to begin, or share your quitting journey to inspire others. Hit subscribe for weekly science-backed tips. And remember, every time you say no to a cigarette, you're saying yes to a longer, brighter life. We believe in you.